Okay, we're on the north side of the house where the condensing units were. Still haven't. And this is the water heater. We have a tankless water heater, and so far I've only found one. But I haven't even been in the house yet. We're early on. So it's a Renunity V75, and it's going to be reasonable to assume that it's original to the structure, because I cannot get any data. I cannot collect any data off of this thing. So, temperature pressure relief valve drain line is high enough. We got a gas dip tube. We got GFCI receptacle outlet with a in-use cover. I don't like them faced up like that, but since they put the cover on it, that seems to satisfy most regular folks. So what do we... Okay. See this red tape right here? When that red tape's on there, it means that when they installed this, they did not fine tune it. This is like a sports car. High performance sports car. And is it working? Probably so. We're probably going to find out that it's working. Could it be working more efficiently? We don't know whether it can or cannot. It hasn't been dialed in. They didn't use it as a manometer to use there and calibrate it and to fine tune it. That hasn't happened. Now underneath here, you see this black guy right here with the cap on it? That's a screen. And you're supposed to blow this out and clean this screen every single year. Alright? You're supposed to, on a conventional water heater, you're supposed to drain it every year too for the sediment and stuff. And nobody does it, and I get that. But this is that sports car I'm telling you about that needs the nanometer. This is the sports car. Okay? The difference between cleaning that screen and not is going to be the difference whether this thing lasts 7 years or it lasts 17 years. Okay, when these things fail, because you should get 15 years out of this. You know, conventional water heater is about 10. And a lot of people get 10 years out of this. But they might have gotten that extra. You pay extra for a high efficiency system. You got to recapture your investment. It's called return on investment. That happens when you adjust the nanometer and that you service the filter. And if you do those things, you will get a return on your investment.